All right, take 32, because it's hard to stand out here in the middle of the road and take video now because of the snowbirds are back. It's November 1st. I'm here at the village of Edenfield. I'm going to go down to LaGrange here, and we're going to see LaGrange, and then we're going to go down, car coming. Car! We're going to go down and check out LaGrange and see the construction progress that's going on in these villages. All right, behind me, I got my very reliable trusted Tundra back there in the back. I got one of the best made drones from DJI, the Mavic 3. It's up in the air, and we're going to check out Edenfield. Let's go. As you can see, the airspace is clear. The weather was beautiful today. Nice fall day in Florida. Here we are looking over the village of Edenfield. You can see that there's a lot of construction that has gone on. There's a lot of houses built. At the top of the screen, that shows the direction that we are flying. Flying over the villas there in the corner of Edenfield. We're going to fly down Bexley Trail here. That's on the left hand side. You can see that there's a lot more cars on the road today. The snowbirds are coming back. And generally there's just going to be more people down here on the south side because of the population rising. We're just going to fly down Edenfield here, and we'll get down to the edge. We're going to go west here. You can see the Woodlands Championship Golf Course. We're going to fly over that Edenfield loop up there, check out all the houses, look at all the sod around the house. You can see that they are planning on people moving in here. They're cleaning the roads. You'll see the yellow street sweepers cleaning the roads. There's one down there. We have Edenfield Lake as we turn to the north. You can see Edenfield Run up here. You can see some of the home construction they have started up through here. And this will be built out in no time. You can see the Saint Tropez Rec Center up north there. Also the Turnpike. You can see the village of Well Point sticking out there on the left hand side of the screen. Okay, we're going to move a little to the east, and we're going to face south here so you're able to see more of Edenfield construction going on. You can see that some of the foundations are in, some of the walls are up, and a lot of houses are under roof. Alright, we have moved down to the village of LaGrange. Down here at Corbin Trail, we're going to fly north here. There's going to be a lot of houses built down here in the village of LaGrange. From the first shovel of dirt to the final lock on the door, your home story matters. With our photo home build package, you'll get high quality photos Monday through Friday, delivered straight to your inbox the same day, plus a cinematic 4K drone video that captures your home's progress and the neighborhood coming to life. All this for just $350, not due until the build is complete. Watch your dream home rise, one photo at a time. All right, operators are standing by. You can give me a call or you can email me and I can send you some sample photos, and I think you'd be very pleased. All right, we're gonna flip around. We're gonna flip south. We're just gonna see the village of LaGrange. You saw the Woodlands Championship Golf Course at the bottom of the screen. As we fly south here, you can see Eastport. As we fly south here, notice that the village of LaGrange is across the street from Eastport Town Square. You see the LaGrange Postal Center down there. They have started construction. I don't know if this is going to be villas or apartments. Could be look like they're building a parking lot for apartments, or it could be some small villa community down here by Eastport. But it is right across the walking path from the Postal Center, and right there by Eastport. Be a nice place to live. But they have started on the infrastructure down here on this residential area, which would be really nice to live in. As we orbit around, you can see the Postal Center. You can also see the rec center of LaGrange. I do like how they are separated. Here we come back around and you can see Eastport. Alright, we're back up here in the village of LaGrange, just right across the street from all that construction. We're looking north. I had just met a lovely couple, and he was the one that suggested I do the street of Edenfield, so I want to thank him. It was really nice meeting him and his wife. They pulled up in a golf cart, had a great chat, and they are also building in the village of Edenfield. If you see me out flying or see me out in public, hey, stop by and say hello. If you notice the dust coming up there by Edenfield Run, that is from the street sweepers. They're cleaning the roads, getting ready for people to move in. Here we are at Woodlands Country Club and the Blanchard Rec Center, and you can see the update of the construction going on. You can see that the parking lot is nice and clean in front of Blanchard, getting ready to open up and have people enjoy the golf course. Here at Blanchard Rec Center, not so much. Did you notice the green fence between the Blanchard Rec Center and the Country Club? In the parking lot? That means they're going to be opening soon. You can see around the pool there, it's going to be the same pool like at any other rec center. They got the little landscaped area where they're going to put a rubellini palm tree there. It'll be nice. It'll be a nice pool to visit, get some sun, and cool off in the water. All right. By a show of hands, how many people bought a lot down through here? I was really shocked. There was no lotteries. There was not very many lotteries for the golf course lots down through here, and I was really shocked about that. I mean, usually there's 75 to 100 people lining a lot along a golf course, and there was very few lots that had a lottery. Now, for the dozen people that were in the lottery down through here, for the lots on Central Lake, congratulations. And there were also some lots that didn't have a lottery. So that was pretty neat. As we move east here, showing off the lots here on Central Lake. I don't think the prices are going to increase as we move closer to Eastport, because you will notice the lots are getting smaller compared to the ones from the west side of Central Lake. So I do believe that the prices are going to remain the same. Wow, check out Sunset Island. I've been noticing signs around there that looks like they're going to get ready to open it up. So keep visiting and see if they're going to drop that fence soon. All right. Now, would you believe we're flying 250 feet in the air? Look at that, the historic district of Eastport. It says it was established in the 1800s. I think that's pretty cool. As you can see, there's no construction going on. There's nobody down there. This is not a picture. We are actually flying. This is a video. It does look like a picture. But there was hardly any wind. It was a great day. It was a great fall day down here in the villages. And I do love the old oak tree that they saved. You haven't noticed they did put the Hotel Eastport on all four sides. Whether you're living here in the villages or visiting here in the villages, live life, love life, enjoy life every day. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy of mine.